Let me show you how to hide likes that you've made on Instagram Reels and posts. This feature is turned on by default, but if you don't want other people seeing which Reels you've liked, let's turn it off. Now, if you open up the Instagram app and you get over to the Reels section, you can see a Friends section, where essentially you can go through and see which Reels your friends have liked. However, if you wanted to turn this feature off so people can't see which Reels you have liked, we need to get into your settings to do that. So within the settings, depending on whether you've updated the Instagram app or not, it will give you the ability to control who can see which Reels that you have liked. Now you'll be able to see the activity and friends tab, and it says who can see your likes, comments, and Reels in the friends tab. You can switch this to no one instead of followers you follow back. If you don't see that, just head into the App Store or Google Play Store and update Instagram to the latest version.